And my mother was worried because I didn't read or listen to the news much, but I could tell that she was worried about something called a war. And I remember still when I was in school again, either before this or right after this, I can't remember, the kids were talking about war, and I said, it can't be, because God wouldn't allow this. Even though I wasn't brought up with it, He wouldn't let everybody be hurt and killed, and there's good people. And then I remember that I said something like this. Well, anyway, this was probably about 1939, and the war was on, and the Germans had already been all over the place in Europe, but now they were going towards France. And my father was, right away, he was incarcerated in Paris in a very big stadium, and they were treated very badly, not as bad as the Germans, but not tortured, but not given, you know, probably enough water or food or anything, and feeling very scared. And my father was very sensitive and probably was petrified because he didn't trust the Germans at all. And my brother was arrested while he was camping and was put into prison in Brittany, so we didn't see him. So my mother was really stuck alone, and she kept wondering what to do. And she decided she'd send me off with other refugee children to southern France, and I was not a Girl Scout, but she knew one of the people in my camp, summer camp, who was a Girl Scout mother, and her daughter was a Girl Scout, and she was my age, she'd be one of my friends. So my mother brought me to the train, and very bravely, and sent me off with all these other kids, many kids, not just those I knew. And we left, and I remember waving and worrying, but couldn't do much about it.